Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the car and starting the removal. Securely chock the rear wheels and engage the parking brake. You want no movement. Jack the vehicle at the recommended lift point in place, stands under solid pinch welds or subframe points. Once stable, remove the wheel to access the sway bar link. Identify whether the link uses a nut on the ball joint or threaded end. Then apply penetrating oil to the fasteners and let it soak for a few minutes to loosen corrosion. Now focus on freeing the link joint itself. You hold the stud with the appropriate hex or Torx bit inside the ball joint to prevent it from spinning while you turn the nut. This stops damage to the threads. Use a breaker bar or an impact wrench to back off a stubborn nut. Apply steady force rather than jerks. If the stud won't release, use a proper ball joint separator or a heavy tap with a hammer to break the taper and protect the sway bar and control arm. Finish by removing and inspecting components before reassembly. With the nut freed, support the sway bar and wiggle the link out. Twist while pulling to clear the tapered stud. Inspect bushings and the bar for wear. Replace the link with the same orientation and torque the new fasteners to the manufacturer's spec. Once done, reinstall the wheel, lower the car, and perform a short road check. If the nut seized badly, heat the nut briefly with a torch or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.